Ramanujan for G is now available on the Google Play Store. Try it out for free.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. So today we are starting the new chapter, which is the straight line. Okay, so this is the important chapter for J. Uh, it belongs to the coordinate geometry basically. So we are starting the coordinate geometry today. Okay, so which is straight line. Okay, so like a relation between x and y, which satisfies by coordinates of every point lying on a line is called the equation of straight line. So every linear equation in two variables x and y always represents a straight line. Like if you want definition, let me write it here. A relation between x and y, which is satisfied by satisfies by coordinates of every point lying on line is called equation of straight line. Okay, means the parameters are x and y. Okay, so like given example, we can take 4x plus 9y is equals to 40 minus 10x plus 6y is equals to 8, etc. So basically, if we talk about general form, so it becomes 9x plus, sorry, ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Okay, so this is the general form. Ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So here the parameter x and y in linear equation. In linear equation. Okay. Next is like equation of straight line parallel to axis. Okay, so we can write here equation of straight line parallel to axis. So it means we can say like equation of x axis, which is y is equals to 0. So it means we can write equation a line parallel to x axis at a distance a from it, at a distance a from it, which is y is equals to a. Second one is like equation of y-axis, means x we can do 0. So it means equation of a line parallel to y-axis at a distance a from it, which is x is equals to a. Okay, so these are the equation of straight line parallel to the axis. Okay, so next, the important parameter we are going to know, which is a slope of a line. Okay, so what is slope? So like the slope of a line is equals to the tangent of angle which makes with the positive side of x-axis and is generally denoted by m. Okay, so we can write slope of line, which is tangent of angle which tangent of angle which it makes with two positive sides of x axis and generally denoted by m. Okay, so if a line makes the angle theta with x-axis, so slope become m is equals to 10 theta, right? So like the slope of line joining two points m will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay, it means like slope can be like this. We are taking theta, this is x, this is y, this is theta, this is 0. And also we can like this graph is given like this is also the theta, and this is x and this is y and this is 0. Okay, so like we can say note, like we can say minus 8 is less than m is less than infinity. Similarly, we can say slope of x-axis, slope of x-axis, or a line or a line parallel to x-axis. To x-axis is is 10 0, which is equals to 0. And similarly, we can say slope of y axis, or a line parallel to y axis is 1090, which is equals to infinity. So these are the points we should remember for the slope of a line. Okay. Next, different, we can say, different different forms of equation of straight line. Okay, so it means like first, if we talk about general form, which is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So here ABC are the any real numbers and AB are not 0 both at time. So particular case like if A is equals to 0, then by plus C means line parallel to x axis. Similarly, if B is equals to 0, it means AX plus C. So means line parallel to y axis. And if C is equals to 0 means AX plus BY. So means line passing through origin. Okay. Similarly, the next one is slope form. Okay. So it means y is equals to mx plus c, where m is the slope of line and c is the length of the intercept made by it on the y-axis. For general, this equation ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So it means slope is equals to minus a by b, means coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y, right? So if we draw example, this is the graph, this is y, this is x. So theta it becomes, right? And this is the point C of intercepts. Okay, so this is the slope form. Next is slope point form. Slope point form. So the equation of a line with a slope m and passing through a point x1 y1 means slope of point is y1, y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. This you should remember. Okay. Next, 2 point form. 2 point form. So here we can say like the equation of line passing through the given points x1 y1 and x2 y2 means y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and again x minus x1. Next is intercept form. Intercept form. So the equation of line which makes the intercept on a and b on x and y axis respectively means x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. So here the length of coordinate will be equals to under root of a square plus b square. So like this is given, so you can say this is a, this is b. So it becomes 0 comma b, this becomes 0 comma a, sorry, a comma 0, a comma 0. Okay, so area of triangle, we can say area of triangle OAB. OAB is equals to half OA into OB. So it becomes half AB, right? So you can copy this. Next is a normal, we can see perpendicular form. Okay, so if like p is the length of perpendicular on a line from the origin and alpha is the inclination of perpendicular with the x-axis. So inclination will be x cos alpha, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to p. Okay. Similarly, the next one is a parametric form, which we call as distance form also. So like if theta be the angle made by the straight line with the x-axis which is passing through the point x1 by 1 and r be the distance of any point xy on the form on the line from the point x1 by 1, then its equation is called x minus x1 cos theta is equals to y minus y1 sin theta, which is equals to r, right, which is equals to r. So copy these two form, then we proceed to the next topic. Okay, so first we will take some example like equation of line which is passing through which is passing through 3 comma minus 4 and and making making an angle of 45 degree with x axis is like the first is x minus y minus 7 is equals to 0. Similarly, the second one is x plus y plus 7 is equals to 0. Third one is x minus y plus 7 is equals to 0. And fourth one is x plus y minus 7 is equals to 0. So like solving we can say y minus of minus 4 is equals to 10 45 x minus of 3. So it will become y plus 4 is equals to x minus 3. So we can say x minus y minus 7 is equals to 0. So the answer will be first one, right? Next question is like next question standard forms of line 3x plus 4y is equals to 5r. Okay, so basically we will solve. First, we will do for intercept form, slope intercept form. So here y is equals to minus 3 by 4x plus 5 by 4 and m is equals to 3 by 4 and c is equals to 5 by 4. Similarly, the second is this intercept form, which is like x by 5 by 3 plus y by 5 by 4 is equals to 1. So here we can say a is equals to 5 by 3 and b is equals to 5 by 4. Third one is normal form. So which is like 3x by under root p square plus 4 square plus 4y by under root 3 square plus 4 square is equals to 5 divided by 3 square plus 4 square. So it becomes 3x by 5 4y by 5 is equals to 1. So you can say p is equals to 1 and alpha is equals to cos inverse of 3 by 5, right? So you can copy this. Okay, so next is this angle between two straight line. Okay, this is angle between two straight line. Okay, so here the angle between two straight line, like y is equals to m1 x plus c1 and y is equals to m2 x plus c2. So tan theta will be equals to m minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, so these things we should remember. So we can say like if one line is parallel to y-axis, and then the angle between the straight line will become, if one x-axis y is parallel, so it becomes tan theta is equals to plus minus 1 by m. Okay, and the like form is given in the a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Then tan theta will become a1 b2 minus b1 a2 divided by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. Okay, so this is the thing. And similarly, if we talk about the parallel lines, so for parallel lines it becomes m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 is equals to tan 0 degree, which is 0. So m1 is equals to m2. Okay. Similarly, for perpendicular lines, m1 minus m2 is equals to 1 plus m1 m2 is equals to tan 90 degree, which is equals to 0. So m1 m2 is equals to minus 1. Okay. So these things we should remember. So I hope you have got the basics of straight line today. Okay, so next class we will go to the higher topics. Okay, so we are going to wind up this lecture here. So thank you everyone.